How to change your team name on Fantasy Premier League FPL. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change team name on Fantasy Premier League FPL. For doing that, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type fantasy.premierleague.com. Once I've entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Fantasy Premier League. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. On this homepage, in the middle section, you will find various options. Here, you need to click on this Help button, which is just next to Prices option. Once you click on this Help, now you will be presented with the Help section. Here, you need to scroll down, and under this Managing Your Team, you will find how do I change my team name or my team kit or the team I support. Once you find this option, you need to click on it, and at the bottom you will see you can change this information on team details page. Now you need to click on this team details link to reach to the team details page in order to change the name of your team. Now once you reach to your team details page, you need to scroll down, and in this box here you will see your current team name. You need to click on the box and clear the previous name, and from here now you can enter the new one. Once you have entered the new one, here you can scroll down and customize other options if you need. And after doing that, scroll down and at the bottom you will see Update Details button. Go ahead and tap on this Update Details to save the changes. Now after doing that, you will see you have successfully changed your team name on Fantasy Premier League. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your team name on FPL. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.